keeper of the Four Seasons fountain. In a vibrant garden, where each section represents a different season, a central fountain graced by a statue known as the Keeper of the Four Seasons fountain stands as a testament to the passage of time. The statue, made of intricately veined marble, depicts a figure holding symbols of each season: a blooming flower for spring, a sun for summer, a leaf for autumn, and a snowflake for winter. The keeper is a symbol of the ever-changing, cyclical nature of life. The fountain, with water flowing endlessly, mirrors this eternal cycle. During a year of unusual weather patterns, when the garden seemed confused and out of sync with the seasons, gardeners and visitors gathered at the fountain. Through a shared effort of nurturing and tending, guided by the wisdom symbolized by the keeper, the garden was restored to its natural rhythm. The Keeper of the Four Seasons fountain, a central figure in this botanical haven, became a beloved emblem of harmony and the enduring balance of nature.